So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the ways to use smartwatch for well-being. As you know, smartwatches are an increasingly popular self-tracking tool. While the watches provide parameters that can impact your health, interpreting and actioning the data produces health outcomes. So as you know that nowadays doctors and health coaches are willing to look at the data for identifying patterns around activity, sleep, heart health and other vitals. So many smartwatches started embedding medical grade sensors and hence extending into continuous health monitoring. So you can choose between these major smartwatch ecosystems depending on your primary smartphone, price, performance and parameters to track. So we will cover top 3 wellness outcomes which can be achieved using your smartwatch, and the number 1 is better sleep. So as you know, sleep quality is as important as the sleep quantity. Most smartwatches can help in tracking parameters related to both. Try to achieve daily goals for quantity as well as quality before getting into optimizing advanced sleep matrices like deep sleep time, etc. Some general recommendations for better sleep include having same sleep and wake times every day, optimizing sleep environment like dark room, ideal room temperature and low noise, and avoiding digital screen time just before sleep. So the next wellness outcome is improved physical fitness. Physical fitness has a variety of dimensions including cardiorespiratory, endurance, strength, mobility, etc. But the smartwatch tracks only few of them. While counting steps is a good parameter to start with, but it is very basic measurement of your activity levels. This is because of the importance of intensity of an activity matters most for improved physical fitness outcomes. So it is important to hit your daily and weekly activity goals along with your intensity zone achieved. Some general recommendations for improved physical fitness include perform all types of exercise modalities including strength, cardio, mobility, etc. Track intensity matrices including heart rate zones while performing exercises. Recovery is as important as activity, and track your recovery if your smartwatch sports. And the last wellness outcome is heart health monitoring. There are a variety of internal and external markers of heart health. There is no smartwatch which can measure all dimensions of heart health. Resting heart rate is a proxy indicator for your cardiorespiratory fitness. Advanced matrices like ECG, HRV needs to be interpreted by medical experts. Some general recommendations for heart health monitoring includes nutrition, stress management and exercise are important pillars for heart health. Use heart rate zones for your exercise tracking for better fitness outcomes. Use your heart rate variably for better stress management and recovery. Contact your healthcare provider if you see any anomaly in your heart rate. And yes, smartwatch help users to understand their body through numbers. Slowly but steadily, smartwatches track important markers for health and well-being. Resolute member can use their wearable data during their health, sleep and performance coaching sessions for personalized recommendations. And yes, that's for now. Kindly subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as possible. Thank you so much.